Hello friends, welcome to my channel Mathelearning. Today we will learn MCQs of chapter 3 Data Handling class 7. Question number 1 is the mean of the first to 5 whole number is dash, and we know that first to 5 whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. To find mean, we first do addition of these whole numbers and we divide it by total number 5. And 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, 3 plus 3 is equal to 6, 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. So it is 10 divided by 5 and we know that 5 twos are 10. So answer is 2. So option A is answer. Now question number 2. A cricketer scores the following runs in 8 innings: 58, 76, 40, 35, 46, 45, 0 and 100. What will be their mean score? So again we have to find mean here, and for that we do addition of this given scores and we divide it by total innings 8. And by doing addition we get answer 400 and we divide it by total inning 8. 8 5s are 40 and 1 0 after it, and mean is 50. The correct answer is B 50. Now question number 3. What will be the range of following data? And first of all you should know the formula of range, and range is equal to highest data minus lowest data. So what is highest data here? In the given data 54 is highest data and the lowest data is 23. So first we do subtraction of this highest data and lowest data, and here we have 31 and it is given in option C. So answer is C 31. Next question is the tally mark shows frequency. So first we observe this tally marks and we know that how to count this tally marks. So here it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and this slant line is considered as fifth. So here it is 4, 5 numbers. So answer is B 5. Question number 5. Which observation in the following data has maximum frequency? Now what is the meaning of maximum frequency? That means it occurs most the time in this given data. So we check which number is given most the time, and here it is 2. So we can say that answer is 2. Question number 6. The tally mark shows frequency dash, and we count these tally marks 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it shows 4, but here it is not given in the option. So we tick mark this D, none of this. Question number 7. The mode of the data 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 8 is dash. Now we know that mode is the most occurred value in the data, and we check which data is given the most time, and by observing this we can say that 2 and 5 both are given 3 times. So here we have two modes, 2 and 5. So answer is D, 2 and 5 both. Now question number 8. A data can have dash mode. Now options are given: only one, only two, only three, more than one. So answer is more than one, because we know that here in the previous question we found that it can be more than one mode, right? So answer is D, more than one. Question number 9. Median of the data 13, 16, 12, 14, 19, 12, 14, 13, 14 is dash. Now first you should know what is median, and we can say that median is the middle observation of the data, and for that we need to arrange this data in ascending order first, then we can identify the middle number of this data. So first we arrange in ascending order. If data is given more than one time, then we have to write that much time. 14 is 3 times, then 16 and 19. Now we find the middle observation of this data. So first of all we count how many data are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we leave 4 numbers from the starting and 4 numbers from the ending, and we get the middle data 14. So answer is A, 14. Another method is also there to find middle data. First of all, you have to count how many numbers are given. So here it is 9, and we know that 9 is odd number, and for odd number you have to use this formula n plus 1 divided by 2. Here value of n is 9, so 9 plus 1 divided by 2, and 9 plus 1 is equal to 10, and 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. Now we get fifth observation as answer. So we start from here: first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Fifth observation is 14. So we can say that answer is 14. If you want to find median for even numbers, then you have to use this formula and divide by 2. For example, if you have 10 data, then 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. So you have to consider fifth observation of that data. Now this question number 10 is based on this bar graph. Question number 10. Mode and median of the data 13, 16, 12, 14, 19, 12, 14, 13, 14 are. And we find mode first. Mod means most occurred value, and here it is 14. So mod is 14. And what about median? So in the previous example we have the same data and we found the median 14, right? So your mode and median both are 14. So answer is C, 14 and 14. Now observe this bar graph. Question number 11 to 16 are based on this bar graph. So first I minimize it so you can easily observe the data of bar graph. Read the following bar graph which shows the number of books sold by a bookstore during 5 consecutive years and answer the questions given below. Now first we can see that your consecutive years are given 1989, 1990, 1991, 1992 and 1993. And we can also observe number of books on y-axis. Now we solve the questions. First question which is based on this bar graph is how many books were sold in 1989? So we check how many books were sold in this year 1989 and it is 100. So answer is 100. And it is given in option A. Question number 12. In which year were 400 books sold? And we can observe the data here of 1993. This data is about to 400 books. So we can say that it is 1993. Answer is C. Question number 13. In which year were fewer than 200 books sold? Now below this 200 we need to observe and it is here only in 1989. So the answer is A, 1989. Question number 14. What will be the difference of a number of books sold in 1993 and 1990? So first we need to observe the data of this 1993 and 1990. Then after we find difference of that data and we look about this thing. And as we can say that 1993 has 400 books and 1990 has 200 books. So the difference between this 400 and 200 is 200 because 400 minus 200 is equal to 200. So answer is 200 and we check in the options and it is given in option B, 200. Question number 15. How many books were sold from 1989 to 1991? And we observe the data of 1989 to 1991. And as we can see that the data of 1989 is 100, then data of 1990 is 200 and data of 1991 is 600. So what is the amount of this books? 100 plus 200 plus 600 is equal to 900. And look at the answer. And it is given in option B, 900. Question number 16. How many books were sold from 1991 to 1993? And now we consider these years, 1991 to 1993. And the data of 1991 is 600, then 300, then 400. Now do addition of it. 600 plus 300, 900. 900 plus 400, 1300. And we check in the option. And here it is given in option A, 1300. Now question number 17. There are 6 marbles in a box with number 1 to 6 marked on each of them. What is the probability of drawing a marble with number 2? And first of all, we count total possibilities. See, whenever we choose a marble, then it can be 6 marbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total marbles are 6 here. And out of that, you have to choose only a marble which has mark 2 on it, right? So here possibility of this 2 is actually 1 out of this total 6. So here we can say that the probability of this marble is 1 upon 6. Question number 18. A coin is flipped to decide which team starts the game. What is the probability of your team will start? So first we find the probability to start a game, and we know that if a coin is flipped and will come back, then we get 2 options. It can be head on it or it can be tail. So there are 2 chances, head and tail, but at a time only one will come on the top, right, on the coin, either head or tail. So the team will start with head option, and head is 1 out of these 2 options, right? So probability of the team will start is 1/2. Question number 19 is, a die is thrown once. What will be the probability of getting a prime number? And we know that on die 1 to 6 numbers are marked. You use it during the game. So 1 to 6 numbers are marked on it. Out of that, 2 and 3 numbers are prime numbers, right? Here you have asked about probability of prime number. So here total prime numbers on this dash are 2 and 3, right? Out of that, only one will come at a time, either 2 or 3. So here, how can we write the probability of either 2 or 3? So it is 1 only, right? Either 2 or 3. So we write 1 out of this 2 options. So the probability of getting a prime number is 1/2, and it is given in option A. Question number 20. Median of the data 981236754 is dash. Now we know that median is the middle observation of the data, and for that we need to arrange this data in ascending order first. So we write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, and total numbers are 9 here. And what is the middle number? And for that we skip this 4 from starting, and we skip 4 from ending, and 5 is the middle number. So the median of this data is 5. It is given in option A.